Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can create a list instead of HubSpot. Okay, now the first step is actually we need to have in mind what kind of criteria we want to use for this list. Okay, so just as a simple example, I have here a list that I imported to HubSpot in the previous tutorial, and what I'm going to use as my main criteria to create this list is the company name. And I actually want to make sure that all the companies inside of my list, for whatever reason, okay, all of the companies start with letter C, as you can see here. So I have different company names. I have tips 1, tips 2, 3, and 4, okay? And I want to create a list based on these company names, okay? Based on the fact that all of these companies start with C, okay? So let's actually go, first of all, to my contacts. As you can see, I have this number of contacts, okay? And all of these start with C. Serge, Mary, Kyle, and John. Okay, so let's go to the CRM section and let's click on list. Now, do you want to create a list here? Do you want to choose, for example, in this case, contacts? Okay, I want to click on next. And now we want to start adding filters. Okay, so let's click on add filter. And now, what I want to filter on is on my contacts, right? On the information that is inside of my contacts. Okay, so this is what I'm going to choose. Now, um, I would like to filter also based on the contact properties, okay, which is what I'm going to choose to here. And furthermore, what I'm going to choose is the company name, okay? That is going to be like the filter that I want to have, okay? So what I want to do is I want to filter the names, the contacts inside of my list whose company name is actually or starts with the letter C, capital C actually, okay? And once I do this, HubSpot is going to start going through my contacts and looking for the contacts with that fulfill this specific filter, okay? Which is, you can see, are Kyle, Serge, Mary, and John, because their company names start with C, okay? Now, once I'm ready, I'm just going to click Review and Save, and I'm going to choose what kind of list I actually want. It can be active or it can be static. If I choose active, what's going to happen is that every time my contact list updates and it actually satisfy one of these filters, it's going to get updated, okay? But in this case, I'm just going to choose static. And now just save it, okay? Okay, let's go to list now, as you can see here, and we have this list here, okay? That's it. Thank you so much.